This is the Wyoming Police Department activating the Amber Alert system for northeastern Wyoming, including the following counties in Wyoming: Crook, Sheridan, Natrona, Converse, Weston, Campbell, and Johnson. A child has been abducted. The Wyoming State Police Department are looking for a missing child last seen at a Burger King in Cheyenne and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Elijah Davis. He is a 13-year-old Caucasian male, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 130 pounds, with orange hair, green eyes, freckles on his face, a lisp speech impairment, and a retainer. Last seen wearing a yellow Adidas shirt, blue denim jeans and sandals. He was also reported wearing a Philadelphia 76 ERS hat and glasses. Police are looking for his non-custodial mother, Brianna Davis, a 38-year-old Caucasian female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 140 pounds, with blonde hair and hazel eyes. Last seen wearing a pink crop top with an orange dress and white sneakers. They may be traveling in a blue 2009 Nissan Sentra, with Wyoming license plate 629414. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Elijah Davis, please call 911 immediately.